Hi, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss the exercise of this lesson Kannadammana Harakke from the textbook Savi Kannada for the class 4. Harakke means the wish or blessing. Kannadammana Harakke, the wish or blessing of Kannada mother. Let's start with the question answers. First question. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂದ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹೋರಾಡು means fight. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂದ, baby of Kannada or Kannada community. So for what we should fight for? Answer. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂದ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಡಬೇಕು. We must fight, or the Kannada community must fight for Kannada language, Kannadakkaagi, for Kannada culture or Kannada land. Second question. ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಮರೆತರೆ ಯಾರನ್ನು ಮರೆತಂತೆ? ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಮರೆತರೆ means if we forget Kannada language or Kannada culture, ಯಾರನ್ನು ಮರೆತಂತೆ? Who are we forgetting? Answer. ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಮರೆತರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿ or ಹೆತ್ತ ತಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಮರೆತಂತೆ. If you are forgetting this Kannada language or Kannada culture, it is like forgetting your own parents or forgetting Kannada mother. Third question. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂದ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಮರೆಯಬಾರದು? ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂದ, Kannada's baby, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು, what should, ಮರೆಯಬಾರದು, don't forget. So what should we not to be forgotten? Answer. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂದ ಕನ್ನಡಮ್ಮನ ಹರಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮರೆಯಬಾರದು. The Kannada's baby should not forget about Kannada's mother wish or blessings. Fourth question. ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿಯ ಸೊಗಸನ್ನು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಲಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ? ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿಯ ಸೊಗಸನ್ನು, the elegance of Kannada language. ಹೋಲಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ means compared. To what the elegance of Kannada language has been compared? Answer. ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿಯ ಸೊಗಸನ್ನು ತಾಯಿ ಎದೆ ಹಾಲಿಗೆ. ತಾಯಿ means mother, ಎದೆ ಹಾಲು means breast milk, ಹಾಗೂ and ಆಕೆಯ her ಅಪ್ಪುಗೆಯಿಂದುಂಟಾಗುವ, ಅಪ್ಪುಗೆ means hug, ಆನಂದಕ್ಕೆ means pleasure, ಹೋಲಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ compared. So the beauty or the elegance of Kannada language has been compared to mother's breast milk and the pleasure that comes from her hug. Here we have to find out the correct word from the bracket. First question. ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋರಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡದ dash. So we can write ಕಂದ, ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋರಾಡು, fight for Kannada, ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂದ, Kannada's baby. ಕಂದ means baby. Second line. ಮರೆತೆಯಾದರೆ, if you are forgetting, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮರೆತಂತೆ ನನ್ನ, you are just forgetting me itself. So answer is ಅಯ್ಯೋ. Third line. ಮೊಲೆಯ ಹಾಲೆಂತಂತೆ, that means like breast milk dash ಬಾಯಿಗೆ. We can write ಸವಿ ಜೇನು. ಸವಿ means tasty, ಜೇನು means honey. ಸವಿ ಜೇನು. Next line. ಹೋರಾಡು ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ, fight for Kannada dash ರನ್ನ. Here we can write ಕಲಿಯಾಗಿ means learn. Here we have to write the rhyming words, ಪ್ರಾಸ ಪದಗಳು. First one example is given, ದಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ. Similarly we can write ಕಂದಯ್ಯ. Next word, ಹೋರಾಡು, fight. We can write ಕಾಪಾಡು, to save. ಬಾಯಿಗೆ, for mouth. We can write the prasapada Meige to our body. Balge for our life. The rhyming word is Elge. Chinna, Renna. Here two words are given. We have to select the correct word. First correct word is Horadu, fight. Next we have to select Harake, ha. That means bless or spread. Next word Anamda, Anamda, happiness or pleasure. Next Ayyo, Halu, Alu. Here the correct word is Halu, ha. Next Appuge, Appuge means hug, a. Here we have to write the Sajadiya Ottakshara in the circles and Vijadiya Ottakshara in rectangles. Sajadiya Ottakshara means the same letter is repeating. For example, in our first circle we have written Na. That means Na plus Na. The same letter is repeating. In second circle, Ba. Ba plus Ba. Same letter repeating. Next circle, Ya. Ya plus Ya. Third, next circle, Ta. Ta plus Ta. Same letter. Similarly, next circle, Ta. Next, Ma. Next, Pa. Vijadiya Samoktakshara means we are combining two different letters. For example, in the first rectangle we have write snow. That means Sa plus Na. Two different letters are combining. In the next rectangle we have written Shta. Sha plus Ta. Shta. Next Hra. Ha plus Ra. Next box we have written Sta. Sa plus Ta. In next box Shre. Sha plus Ra. Shra. In the next letter Ksha. Ka plus Sha. Ka plus Sha. Sha. And the last box we have written Shne. Sha plus Na. Two different letters are combining. That is Vijadiya Ottakshara. If you are repeating the same letter, it is Sajadiya Ottakshara. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next class. Okay, bye. Thank you.